Look at this. Look at that log floating. Oh my gosh. So much. Yeah, we definitely only got an inch, huh? Look at that right there. Dude. Hold on. Look at that go wet. There was so much rain. You could probably even barely hear me. I don't know where home is. But, hey, water. Look at that fern under there. Hold up. How deep is this water? Pretty deep. Pretty freaking deep. Oh, some trash. Trash. Oh my gosh. Let's go back up. I don't know where home is. Where is home? There's glass right there. I love glass. Kids. It's trash. What do you do with dog trash in the river? Who does that? This is wild though. White sweating. Huh. It like sweating, yeah, man. Yeah. Definitely some white sweating. Holy shit. I'm talking to myself. Doesn't feel real. This doesn't feel real. Oh my. Look at this tree right here. Oh, the tree grew weird. Snap the photo. Go all over there. Well, I guess I'll stay out here for an hour, but I'm gonna follow it more. Yeah, there's a huge waterfall over there. Not huge, but like, it's like a really big drop off. Not a lot of water. It's like a huge drop off. I don't know what any of that is, and I don't care. Huh, yeah. Probably a fence for someone. It's a little spring. I don't care. I need to get home, but I think it's not gonna rain again. Wow. I don't even know where I'm at. Oh, waterfall, 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 waterfall. Waterfall! Waterfall! Wait, look. How do I get over there? Okay. I don't think it's possible to get over there. Hey, that's how I gotta get up. I guess I don't know. It's someone's property, but I don't really. That'd be the easiest way to get up. Well, I guess I could retrace my steps. Look at that. Dude, the pipe thingies leaking out, creating a waterfall up there. Wow. Crazy stuff happening today. Look at that. Paper walls. Look at that flooding. Yeah. put thorns through there? Probably. Maybe on this side. Oh, that hurt. Ah! Ooh, that's basketball. I want to be. Oh my god. Ooh, dude, it smells so good. I don't know where I'm at. It's such a good day. Oh, that hurt a lot. That hurt a lot. Oh my gosh. The waterfall thingy going on. That's deep water. Most likely. Probably some deep water right there, guys. I would record, like, I don't know, but I don't feel like going all that. Well, yeah. Cool. Peaceful. Ow, 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 that hurt a lot. Oh! Next time I come through, I need some gloves. Because these guys hurt a lot. I don't like them. Okay. Okay, I just got booby trapped. These stupid thorns. Oh! Ow, ow, ow. Whew, I'm bleeding. I don't know. Alright, so watch out for the thorns. I need to wear thicker pants next time. Well, not prepared. Gotta be prepared, not scared. But I'm scared of these thorns because they hurt. That wasn't a thorn. That felt actually really good on my leg. I don't know how deep that is. It's so muddy I can't see how deep it is. Anyone comes here on a non-flooded day? It's kind of like never here in this great old state. Okay. You that hurt a lot. Ho ho ho! I am 100% about to bleed. Yeah. I'm going the wrong way. Alright, let's go up a little bit. Alright, I'm probably gonna... Alright, I am gonna end the video here. 3, 2, 1.